Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you something great. I'll be showing you a platform that you can just conduct a little survey and make a lot of money from it. Okay, so before I go into that fully, if you are new, do well to subscribe to my channel and as well like my videos and also share my videos so that a lot of people can benefit from this amazing video. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a smartphone, make sure you have a network connection, and navigate yourself to your Google Chrome and type in timebok.com. Timebok.com is almost worldwide website that allows you to make money not less than $2, $3, $4, $5 a day just by answering a few questions, just by answering conducting a simple survey. Okay, you can see get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install app, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. Okay, all you just need to do here, the task here is very simple. Okay, the task here is very simple. All you just need to do is to post on Facebook. You can just view some funny slideshows, play games, install app for reviews, complete micro tasks, and also answer a simple survey. Okay, so the process of signing up on this very app is very simple and it's users friendly. Okay, all you just need to do is to pick up your phone now, sign up and start earning. Okay, I've done the sign up process on my own already, so what I just need to do now is just sign in. Okay, so I'm signing in now. Just click, I need to click on I'm now a robot. Let it take me up. Okay, signing in. So as you can see, I just signed in. You can see this is the bonus I just made. Wow, I just made bonus of 1200 USD, and my wallet balance is 1210 USD. Okay, the earnings for the tax is currently 0.010. Okay, refer also and earn. I've not started referring, so you refer and you earn. Okay, new survey 50 minutes. If you want to conduct a survey now, you see this new survey 15 minutes, just click on it, click on start survey and answer some few questions and you'll be done with it. Okay, you can see recent tax completions in your region. You can see all these tax were completed. This one just completed 11 minutes ago. This one was completed. This person was paid 0.6. This tax is 0.65 USDT. You see, you can do a lot of tax, as many as you can here. It is 0.2, 0.1. You can say you can perform as many as you want, okay, in a day. And imagine you're able to do like 20, then you multiply 0.6 or 0.5 times 20. You know, it's something that's roughly 10 USD, which is roughly 10,000 naira. Okay, you can see the unpaid earning, unpaid bonuses, unpaid referrals, unpaid. All these ones are mine. Okay, you can see my wallet here, 1.210 USD. Okay, nice, 1210 USD. You can see unpaid bonuses. This is my bonus. I'm not cut out yet. So you can see in this very place is very simple. All you just need to do, follow up the instructions and start making the money for yourself. Okay, so if you are watching this now, don't wait anymore, just dive into it and start making money. One of the major way again you can earn money from this place, you see these three lines by the top left hand side. Click on the three lines. If you click on these very three lines, all you just need to do is check. This is where you see your earning. The first one is your dashboard, which is where we just left, and the second one is your earnings. The third one is your referral earnings. Okay, you can refer someone here and you keep earning. All you just need to do is to make sure you sign up correctly, make sure you copy your referral link and start earning. Okay, and this place is your payments. Okay, you will be wondering because whatever you're doing, you just need to be paid. Okay, you just need to be paid. This is where you can receive your earning. So I currently do not have a payment yet, so time remaining until invoice cut off for this. 9 hours 36 minutes. Okay, so I'll just need to do now and catch out my earnings before this 4 days runs out. Okay, if you need the support, this way you go, this the chat room, this is a frequent asked questions, my completion job, your job, this way you see my bonuses, this is where you check it. Okay, my referral completions, that is where you check it. Okay, passing quality text survey and others. So you can see they are just users friendly, and all you just here is where you can get your referral completions. Okay, and this is my referral earnings. Okay, so all you just need to do is sign up now and start earning. For the sake of this video, I don't want the video to be kind of too long, so all you just need to do, watch from the beginning to the end, watch the step-by-step processes, and make sure you learn it completely and learn how to make money from this amazing platform. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.